Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I prepared this fufu using cabbage. This is cabbage swallow, and over here is the cabbage I will be using. This is the size. For me, I'll be bringing out 3 wraps of fufu from here, depending on how you eat. If you eat too much, then you can eat all this at once. So I've washed it and diced it as well off camera. So let's go over to blending it. Add enough chopped cabbage into your blender. Add more water to enable it to blend easily. Then run your blender. Once you're done, put a chiffon cloth inside the bowl and pour it inside. If you don't have a chiffon cloth, you can use cheesecloth. Then use your hands to press out the water. Almost all the water should be out. Once you are done, transfer it into your cooking pot or your pan. Then start turning it just like so. Use your spatula to turn it or a wooden spoon till it gets hot. Once it has heated, add your husk powder. I'm using psyllium husk. This is the picture by the right hand side. If you don't have psyllium husk, you can use xanthan gum. If you don't have both of them, you can use oat flour to bind it. But if you want to eat healthy, maintain using psyllium husk or xanthan gum because it contains a lot of fiber, almost 90% of fiber, which will make your food to digest easily. Then continue stirring till everything comes together. You can see it's coming together. So I keep stirring it. If you leave it, it will just be burning. So you don't need to leave this unattended. Just keep stirring it on a low heat, not high heat, just like so. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to maintain weight, this is what you have to be eating once in a while. If you love fufu and you can't go without eating fufu, try at least twice a week to eat this as your swallow. And after turning it for like 5 to 10 minutes, is ready. So let's mold out some to see how it looks. See, very easy. It looks like real swallow. You can even add palm oil to yours if you want it to have that look of gari. That's yellow gari. But if you want to cut down on the calorie, no need adding the oil to it. So just wrap it up and enjoy with any soup of your choice. I'll be eating mine with ogbono. Please do try this out and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video. Bye.